Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen revises debt default date. U.S. government could exhaust funds by June 5th. Oh, wow. She's just making up new stuff now. We just magically got money now. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has revised her estimate for the potential date of U.S. default. In a letter she sent to all congressional leaders Friday regarding the debt limit, Yellen wrote, based on the most recent available data, we now estimate the Treasury will have insufficient resources to satisfy the government's obligations if Congress has not raised or suspended the debt limit by June 5th. We will make more than $130 billion of scheduled payments in the first 2 days of June, including payments to veterans and Social Security and Medicare recipients. These payments will leave the Treasury with extremely low levels of resources. Meanwhile, the global investment bank Goldman Sachs said the real deadline for the U.S. default is more like June 8th or 9th. Many people have warned of the disastrous consequences of the U.S. defaulting on its debt obligations. Yellen said the consequences would be unthinkable. The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, expects very serious repercussions. If the U.S. defaults on its debt, Harvard professor Kenneth Ragoff said it could spark a global financial crisis. Everyone and their mom has an opinion about the debt default. It's funny, though, how Yellen got on social media, on regular media, saying June 1st is the hard line in the sand. Now she's extending it to June 5th. It makes me think she's being sort of political. It makes me think she's being used to stoke the fire. Like, the bottom line is the bottom line. Either you have money to go past June 1st or you don't. This is the most down to the wire I've ever seen the debt ceiling issue get pushed. And I've seen it happen all the time. Guys, this isn't new. It's happened like 83 times before this. To get the debt ceiling raised, they wait until the end, get you to panic, make people think something catastrophic is going to happen, and they raise it. All of this runs the risk of downgrades from credit agencies. And if we breach that trust, watch the dollar collapse in price, 30% overnight, because the loss of confidence can happen like this. And so can the purchasing power of the dollar.